Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, nice to meet you, and I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, so just, yeah, ignore that. Alright, so today's video, if you can tell, I have like part of my makeup done, so I have my eyes done, obviously. I did like a gold, red, glitter, halo look, so a little up close, that's what it looks like. Yeah, but I did like part of my face makeup, as in I only did my foundation, and the reason for that is because finally, you guys, finally, I got my hands on this bad baby right here. This baby right here. Yes. I mean, technically, I have tried it before because I got like samples sent to me and I tried it at the store, but I didn't really get like the actual product. So, in a way, I kind of know how it performs because I have tried a bunch of samples, but I got the real deal. And if you can't tell what that is, this is Tarte Shape Tape. It's like, I swear everyone and their mothers have tried this, used it, loved it, and a very small percentage of people didn't really like it, but for the most part, from what I heard, read, and watched, pretty much everyone likes it. So I'm like, I'm gonna get one too and see, why not? So I guess because I have tried it before, it's not really a first impression for me, but we can kind of pretend it is. Anyway, so I got my foundation on. For the foundation, if you guys are curious, I used the 24-hour foundation Infallible Pro Glow. Such a good foundation. They also have the Pro Matte, which is, I'm very curious about that, but I used that on my face first. So I'm a foundation first, then concealer second type of girl. So tell me down below in the comments if you do foundation first or if you do concealer first. Very curious. So, alright, so I'm in the shade Light Medium, and I picked this shade because I wanted a shade that was, somewhat close to my skin tone, but at the same time bright enough to say that I look awake, if that makes sense, but not too bright where it's like, that's a little too excessive. You know what I mean? Like a nice, like, happy, balanced medium, if that makes sense. Alright, so here is what it looks like. I'm sure I don't have to hold it up for anyone to see. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what the Shape Tape looks like. It's like universal. Oh, what's your concealer? Shape Tape? Oh, I already know what that looks like, Bam. Alright, so that's what it looks like, just in case you don't know. Alright, so let's open this baby up. So, just to show you guys, for those who are still new to this, it does have like a doe foot applicator, as you guys can tell right there. And I'm going to just, I have noticed that using this, you only need like a tiny amount. So, we're just going to, I guess just 2 dots, maybe 3. Alright. I'm only doing one side of my eye first. So using my Morphe sponge, we're going to just brighten up that under eye. This really brightens, like, do you see a difference? This eye has the Tarte Shape Tape and the other side does not. That makes a huge difference. Oh yeah. Yeah, it really brings out your face, like, yeah, it makes a huge difference. I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not, but damn. Yeah. Face looks bright. Alright, so that side was with the Morphe sponge, and I feel like it applied nicely with the sponge, so I do like that. So that is the side with the Morphe sponge, okay? Or any sponge you want to use, what it looks like. Now I'm going to go back in, and I felt like 3 dots was a perfect amount. So, taking the brush again, and I'm not like pressing hard on my like under eye. I'm just like literally just like gently touching or dabbing onto my skin. Like literally when the product touches your skin, you let go. See that? So 1, 2, 3. And every time I use it, gotta close it back up because I don't want the product to dry out. Alright, so now on this side, I'm just gonna go in with like a brush and see how that works out. So I feel like applying it with a brush, it looks like it's a lot more brighter. Like the coverage is a lot more intense, if that makes sense. Like it covers more, I feel like. You're not like using up, like you're not like soaking up the product, where I guess the sponge does soak up the product. So if you're looking for like a more like coverage look, go ahead and use this little brush. I mean, this is not a concealer brush, it's just a eyeshadow brush, but you know, that's what I'm using. But you know, use a concealer brush. So can you guys tell? So this side has the side where I use the brush, and that side is like the sponge side, so like that. Alright. And I don't know, I like how it looks like on both sides. I'm not like mad about it. I like, maybe one day I want to have a more brighter face, I'll use a brush in one, you know, one of the days, and then another time I want to have more like, you know, not as bright but still want to look awake, so I'll use the sponge. But yeah, I am actually liking this. So that is really pretty. Alright, I'm really glad I got this. I mean, it does not look like my skin is clinging on to any of that product. I do have dry skin, so alright, so that is pretty much what the, you know, the concealer looks like. I think it's a very nice concealer. So that is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup and then come right back and talk about my thoughts and opinions on this product. Alright you guys, I am back, and with the full face of makeup, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so my thoughts and opinions, well, I do really like the packaging because, you know, it's nice and cute, and I do like that it is a doe foot applicator, so it's easier to like apply. And if you look inside, it has like a little, I guess, I don't know, device or whatever, a little thing inside that kind of like squeezes out the excess, you know, concealer, so you're not putting too much on your face. What else? I feel like it is a nice, decent size, you know, it's not like too small, it's not too big, so I think it's a nice, decent size. I do like how it applied, and I did wear it all day today in the heat, and it did wear nicely. I will do an updated video showing you guys like what it really looks like in the heat outside. I'm pretty sure it's going to be hot outside for the next couple of days because it's been freaking hot outside. My AC is broken. That's what you hear. If you do hear it, I don't know. But you might hear like a fan right next to me blowing in my face. You see that? Wind, huh? Yes, fan. Alright, so yeah, so I do like it a lot. I feel like it applied nicely both with the sponge and the brush. So if you're a sponge girl or a brush girl or whatever you are, you know, you use whatever you want because I think it applies nicely. You definitely don't need too much. As you can tell, when I applied it, I applied like just like little dabs, and that was like honestly enough to pretty much cover like that entire area. So that was pretty nice. What else? What else? It does definitely give you nice coverage. And where's my mirror? Definitely gives you nice coverage, and it has a nice like matte finish. It does not look creasy or cakey at all. I'm sure like if you applied like too much, it will look cakey. So just like apply, if you want that like thick layered look, you know, do what you want to do you, alright? But I suggest that you get that look little by little, you know, put a little bit on, see how you like it, add a little bit more, see how you like it, add a little bit more, see how you like it, you know what I mean? So do that. But yeah, I like this. I'm glad I got it, and I do recommend it. So if you are the similar skin tone as I am, go ahead and try light medium. That seems to work nicely for me. And that's it, guys. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you haven't already, click subscribe and join the Kwak fam. Tap on the notification bell. And of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!